iOS 18.2.1 has finally arrived after numerous delays and trial releases. And today we're bringing you a comprehensive guide on what to do immediately after installing this latest update. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening the Settings app on your phone and navigating to the General section. Tap on About and wait for 5 to 10 seconds, as this is where carrier updates typically appear following a system update. If prompted to install any updates, proceed to do so by selecting the appropriate option, such as Update or Apply. Next, open the App Store and access the list of your installed applications. Check if any updates are available for your apps and install them to ensure compatibility with iOS 18.2.1. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial for optimal performance and security. After that, return to Settings and navigate to the Battery section. Tap on Battery Health to review your battery's current condition. Following every iOS update, the system recalibrates and provides the most accurate battery health data, making it essential to check this information. Finally, take a moment to review your privacy configurations. From the Settings menu, go to Privacy and Security and select Location Services. A list of apps with location access will appear. Carefully review each app's permissions and ensure they're configured to your preferences, whether that's always while using the app or never. By completing these steps, you'll ensure your device is optimized and ready to make the most of iOS 18.2.1. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.